Problem 22-38, we are now going to work on the direct materials budget. So we know we need to produce these numbers of bats, 1250 youth and 1950 adult. And so that's what we're going to start with down here. We're going to start with budgeted bats to be produced. So I'm just going to copy and paste 1250, 1950, 3200. So then, since we need to produce 3200 bats, we now need to figure out, well, how much material do we need? And the material is wood. So we need to figure out the direct materials per bat in ounces. And that's in this window here. Direct material requirements are 48 ounces of wood per youth bat and 56 for the adult bat. And the cost of wood is 25 cents an ounce. But all we need so far is just the number of ounces. So 48 for youth bats and 56. 48 ounces, 56 ounces. And then we're going to calculate, well, how many ounces do we need? The direct materials needed for production. So again, we need to produce this many bats, and the number of ounces are these, so we need to figure out the total ounces. So for the youth bats, we're going to take 1250 times 48, 1250 times 48. Gives me 60,000 ounces. Put the comma in there so it's easier for you to read. And then the adult bats, we're going to take 1950 times 56. 1950 times 56 equals 109,200. So then we're going to add the 60,000 plus 109,200 gives us 169,200 ounces that we need for production. But we don't want to leave our ending inventory of direct materials empty. So we need to factor in the desired direct materials in ending inventory in ounces. So that's up here too. Desired ending raw materials inventory is 24,000 ounces. It says indirect materials are insignificant and not considered for budgeting purposes. So in the ending inventory, we want 24,000 ounces. And that would give us our total direct materials needed. So 169,200 plus 24,000 gives us 193,200. We have to figure out that we probably have some direct materials already in beginning inventory. So we need to subtract direct materials in beginning inventory in ounces. So let's go check to see how much we have in inventory. So here we go, raw materials in ending inventory, or excuse me, raw materials inventory on December 31st. So at the beginning of this quarter, which is the balance at the end of the previous quarter, was 24,000 ounces of wood at 25 cents per ounce. So we already have 24,000 ounces in beginning inventory. So we're going to take the amount we need, subtract the amount we already have, which is 24,000, and that gives us 169,200. And then, so we need 193,200. We already have 24,000 in stock, basically. So the budgeted purchases are 169,200. So we're going to take the amount we're going to purchase times the direct material cost per ounce, which I think was 25 cents. The cost of wood is 25 cents per ounce. So we're going to put 0.25 in here. And then to get the budgeted cost of direct materials, we need to purchase, remember this is the purchase amount, we need to purchase 169,200 ounces. It costs 25 cents an ounce. So the amount that we need to, or the cost of that will be 169,200 times 0.25. 169,200 times 0.25 equals $42,300. So that's the budget amount we're going to probably have to spend to buy raw materials so that we can produce these 3,200 bats. And in the next video, we'll do the direct labor budget.